Approximately 5 years ago, before my son was born, my son is now 4, so about 5 years ago, my wife and I used to go feed the homeless every single weekend. And what we would do is we'd either go to Costco and put together a bunch of sack lunches, or we'd go to Big Daddy's Pizza and buy a bunch of pizzas. But some way, somehow, we'd create a bunch of lunches and then just shoot down to downtown Salt Lake and just kind of drive around and look for the homeless people that may be a little bit hungry and basically hand out lunches. And then when my son was born 4 years ago, that tradition kind of died. We did that for probably over a year. My wife and I would do that every weekend for just over 12 months. But then after my son was born, we basically stopped doing it because now we were parents and on the weekends we were taking care of our son, and now we have 2 kids, got a 4-year-old and a 1-year-old. But today's Thanksgiving, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to bring that tradition back. Here was something that was kind of a cool side story. 5 years ago when I would do this, a friend of mine, Tyrone Smith, who plays for the University of Utah, would come with us from time to time and hand out these pizzas. And so I thought, you know what? It'd be really fun if I called up Tyrone and asked him if he wanted to come join us again this year. You know, 5 years later, we will bring back the tradition. And so today's Thanksgiving, I thought, you know what, let's call Big Daddy's, let's keep it simple. Rather than putting together a bunch of sack lunches, it's just a lot easier to pick up some pizzas, and then we'll head downtown and pass some pizzas around to homeless people that could be hungry. So, on that note, let's get started on this adventure. Yeah, hi. I was wondering if I could please place an order for 50 of your pepperoni pizzas. Yes, please.
Big city life, me try to get by. Pressure eyes up no matter what me try. Big city life, in my heart have no base. And right now Babylon get on me case. Big city life.
We got those ready for you, man. So
great.
Let me just have you sign it.
Okay.
My heart have no base. And right now
Awesome, thank you. Oh, sorry, great, thank you.
It's probably alright.
still we live our lives.
Okay, to do.
As if all this stuff's survive.
Well, thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, you too, buddy. Thank you so much.
See you guys.
You too. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for your help.
Of course, man, anytime.
Thank you.
Some wisdom with you. Don't you ever get lonely from time to time. Don't let the system get you down.
The main drifts across the seas and the oceans. A permanent itinerant is what I've chosen. I find myself in a big city prison, arisen from the vision of mankind, designed to keep me discreetly.
You guys like some pizza? Yeah. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come get a box. Come get a box. Yeah, you bet. You get a pizza? Yeah. Okay, yeah, we'll give you one.
Thank you.
Awesome. You bet. You want another water? You betcha. Happy Thanksgiving. Yes, you too. Did you want one? You want a pizza? You guys want some pizza? Yeah. We're just gonna dog tip the person. We got some waters too. Yeah, you bet.
Anybody else want water?
No water?
Appreciate it.
Yeah, you betcha.
God bless you.
Happy Thanksgiving. Did you guys all get waters too?
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
You betcha.
Big city life, try to get by. Pressurize, no matter what me try. Big city life, my heart have no base. And right now Babylon, they on me case, me case.
You want one?
Boss man, you want a pizza?
Happy Thanksgiving.
People in a show, all lined in a row. We just push on by. It's funny how hard we try. Take a moment to relax.
Just park and hand it out the back. Should we do that? Alright.
Don't you wanna know me?
Yeah, let's all jump out.
Be a friend of mine. Don't you ever get lonely?
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Do you want water?
Oh, he said no. I'll be able to.
Appreciate that, man. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving, man.
Oh.
Thank you.
I still not think that was. I do. I was. We all know we have I don't want to talk to my mother. You ever want to touch me?
Nice.
It's like, oh.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah.
I still like fire. If I could buy the living off the table.
Oh wow. Well, happy Thanksgiving.
I'm happy to meet you. Oh, and I was just thinking, well, now what can I do? I
Want water?
My son used to rub everyone's legs because he liked nylon. So don't let me rub his legs. What is this, Big Daddy?
Yep.
Big Daddy gives these out too. Guys, oh, I bet you like that, huh? You guys want that?
Oh, got it. Yeah.
There's two guys in here too. We're good.
I got one, bro. Thank y'all. God bless y'all. Love you too.
You bet. You bet. Yeah, you bet.
I like the police, I have to. I don't really like them. God bless. God bless. Texas, because we have people. We're not sure why. God bless everyone and the rest of us.
Yeah, you betcha. Yeah, you bet. You bet.
You want one?
You get one? I'll carry. We can share.
Are you sure? You can
Yeah, here.
we got plenty.
Yeah, I've got plenty.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, you betcha. Yes, you too.
I want to do that.
Sure.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
God bless you.
God bless.
For a while. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
How you do? Thank you.
Pressure now ease up, no matter what me try. Big city life, my heart have no base. And right now Babylon get on me case.
I think.
Did they get some?
I think so.
Okay.
Anybody want some pizza? No pizza?
Yeah, we got some water too. Want a water?
Water?
Yeah, you bet. You bet. Oh, here comes a couple more.
Anybody want some pizza? Want some pizza?
Yeah, we got water too. Hold on, let me give you some water. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, you bet. Oh wow, there's way more tents. We could probably park right there and then see if they're. Let's park right here. I'll grab waters and if you guys want to grab the pizzas.
Oh, what's up with you guys?
You need some pizza?
Pizza! Oh,
There you are. We have water too.
How's it going?
you guys want some pizza in there? Yeah, pizza. Come on out. 4 of us in there.
Yeah.
All right, we are officially back. We just got home from returning down from downtown Salt Lake City. We now have family coming over to celebrate our own Thanksgiving, at which point I'm very excited for. We're going to have a lot of good food, but it's always so humbling, and I have to share, it's such a good reminder on how blessed and grateful we are to have what we have after going down and meeting these individuals who are right now struggling through a difficult time in their life, and being able to meet these individuals on Thanksgiving Day and see their struggles. It's such a humbling experience and such a good reminder to remember how blessed we really are. So, on that note, I hope everybody has a wonderful Thanksgiving. I want to thank Damari Simpkins, Tyrone Smith, and Houston Evans for joining me on this opportunity to go down and feed the homeless on Thanksgiving Day 2019.